So this is our reception desk. This is where the patients will come and check in. What's really cool about this is we use this antique wood flooring. It's the original flooring from the Oddfellows building. It's about 120 years old, and we found a way to reuse it. So we're standing here in our reception. This is our climbing wall built for the kids, but strong enough for the adults. And this is where the kids can play, spend some time, get some energy out before we take them back. Our office has this bar top where you can sit and wait and stare across the street at a beautiful mountain and enjoy your coffee or read your newspaper while you're waiting for your appointment. And the cool thing about this bar top is that it was made from the original wood beams of the historic building that we're in. This is our consultation room. This is where we will bring new patients in to discover what their goals are, what they desire for their treatment. We can have private conversations in this room. It's also plumbed to be an operatory if we ever decide that we want to do that, although our goal is to keep it a consult room for as long as we have our panoramic x-ray machine. So this is where patients will stand and have an extraoral photo or extraoral image taken of their teeth. This is our state-of-the-art sterilization room. So this is where everything is brought in to be cleaned and ready for the next patient. This is our first treatment room out of 2. We actually did a lot of manual labor removing the plaster that was covering this brick above. My husband and I did that over several weekends so that we could have something interesting for patients to look at while they sit in the dental chairs. Our second treatment room, pretty much exactly the same as the other one, except just flipped because the center cabinet is on the right-hand side now. So this is where patients will come and check out and make their next appointment. Really nice feature is that we have a door that divides that section off from the reception area so that there's a little bit of privacy when you're checking out.